Quality and safety of automotive products is a hot topic at the moment. Everybody speaks about autonomous driving. Everybody speaks about electrical cars. A core element of this whole technology is electronics and very complex systems. And we want that our cars get more compact, get more integrated. And if you are an engineer like I am, you see that this electronics, the more you integrate them, becomes far more critical against failure and against maybe overheat or heat anticipation. And just think about, you drive an autonomous car and the electronic fails. You don't have a steering wheel anymore. That's why digitalization helps us to have a full traceability of all quality related data. We are able to trace it, we are able to put them in correlation. Adding means of artificial intelligence will help us to analyze if there is any abnormality happening, and we can act proactively. Means we exclude by digital transformation that any unsafe or any poor product goes into the real final product and is causing some kind of critical situation. Data analytics will give us the insight. Like in our daily life, things are not linear. So if you do something today, it might have an impact in 2 days. The same happens in complex production systems. Data analytics helps us to look below the surface. It's like an iceberg. We only see symptoms, we see syndromes, but the real root cause lies in the data and how the things relate together. So if you have latent connections between A going into C and then going into D, this will help us to understand. So we are able to understand really the correlation and the structure behind the data and behind the process. That's why data analytics is so powerful for us to make the next step in productivity.